We talk big game about inbound marketing here at Neighborhood. What can I say? When it works, it works. For more than 75% of companies, inbound is now the primary approach to marketing. Maybe you've heard about inbound marketing, but don't really know what it is. Or maybe you've heard about some of the buzzwords we've thrown around, including content marketing, social media marketing, or SEO, but don't quite understand what we're on about or how it fits together. To be honest, there's actually a good chance you're already employing some of our inbound strategies and may not even know it. So today, I'm going to take you through what inbound is. Hi guys, it's Dom here from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. So what is inbound marketing? Marketing didn't change over the past couple of decades because marketers just wanted to try something new or different. Marketing changed because consumers changed, and they changed because they're sick of being bombarded by marketing messaging through an increasing number of marketing channels, from telemarketing to hundreds of TV channels, to infomercials, to promotional emails. All of that promotion has made them less trusting. That's why millions of Australians have signed up for the Do Not Call registry to avoid pesky telemarketers, and why millions of others now fast forward through TV commercials whenever possible. Inbound marketers understand this growing suspicion of traditional marketing strategies, which push marketing messages at consumers, and opt for one that pulls them towards purchases by gradually rebuilding trust and credibility. With inbound marketing, potential customers find you through channels like blogs, search engines, and social media. Unlike outbound marketing, inbound marketing does not need to fight for potential customers' attention. By creating content designed to address the problems and needs of your ideal customers, inbound marketing brings the qualified prospects to you. So let's have a look at some of the things you might already be doing that are inbound. First off, content marketing. Content is anything you create for people, like blogs, articles, videos, podcasts, white papers, and ebooks. The content you send isn't a sales pitch. It's information and advice that's going to help people solve their problems. When you help people solve problems, they tend to trust you and your products. Sometimes they offer people content they want in exchange for their contact information, generating more leads for your business. Later, you send more content to nurture those leads or to close sales. Next, if you're doing SEO, you're doing inbound. SEO is a pretty complicated business, one in which you make changes on your website, like adding more relevant content or getting other companies to include links to your site on theirs, or tweaking meta tags or adding the right keywords to rank higher in search engines. If you've added words and phrases prospects are likely to use in their online searches to content on your website, you're doing content marketing. If you've tried to get other businesses to link to your website, you're doing content marketing. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like, and if you're on YouTube, hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Last of all, does your business have a Facebook page, one you use to post relevant information and upcoming events for your company? Are you trying to get more followers on Twitter or Instagram or LinkedIn? If you are, then you're a cool modern company. Congrats! Also, you're doing inbound marketing. Sending useful content to prospects, trying to get higher rankings in Google, or building a fan base on social media channels are some of the inbound strategies you may already be employing, and each on its own could well generate more leads, increase conversion rates, and boost sales. The trick is to use the inbound strategies which are most effective, not for any business, but for your business, and to integrate those strategies into a seamless and comprehensive marketing plan. You want to use these inbound strategies in a way that hits your results out of the park. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know who needs a hand with their web design. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. That's all from me. Happy marketing.